This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jeff Heiskell. This cute rancher is ready for you to update and reimagine. Located on a spacious corner double lot. Original hardwood floors beneath the carpeting. Dimensional roof installed 4 years ago. Close to all amenities and Adair Park. High-speed fiber internet available. Home to be sold as is/no repairs. Buyer or buyer's agent to verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Heiskell at 865-687-1111.